Have you ever been curious about the largest scale cashew production process in the world? Join us as we explore the mega cashew plant, where cutting-edge technology meets meticulous care and precision in every step of production. Cashew trees are typically grown in tropical regions with well-draining sandy or laterite soil. They are propagated from seeds or grafts with careful consideration of spacing to achieve optimal efficiency and yield. Cashew trees often have a relatively long lifespan, averaging from 20 to 30 years. Typically, it takes about 3 to 5 years for a cashew tree to begin fruiting. Harvesting cashew nuts is a crucial process, but it demands significant effort. This stage requires precision and caution due to the unique structure of cashew nuts and the presence of irritant fluid within their shells. Sun drying in areas with abundant sunlight is a vital part of post-harvest processing. This method, known as sun drying, occurs before the nuts are sent to processing plants. Then, the cashew nuts are transported to the processing plant. Here, specialized storage facilities are designed to maintain ideal conditions, including temperature and humidity control, to preserve the freshness and quality of the cashew nuts until they are processed. The cashew nuts are fed into specialized washing equipment adjusted for large-scale production. These machines, from rotary washers to conveyor systems, are designed to efficiently handle thousands of nuts. This ensures that the production process runs smoothly and effectively while guaranteeing the quality of the final product. To prevent cashew nuts from absorbing water, they are agitated by machines to remove any small holes or gaps in the shells, allowing excess water inside to escape easily. The roasting process is a crucial step in enhancing the flavor and texture of cashew nuts. By roasting at high temperatures, it not only develops a better flavor but also helps eliminate any remaining moisture. The roasting time and temperature can be adjusted based on preferences for flavor and desired crispiness. Please leave a 1 if you enjoy eating cashew nuts. Removing the edible cashew kernel from its tough outer shells is a crucial step in the production process. In smaller scale operations, manual methods are often employed. Workers use tools such as cashew nut crackers to carefully peel each nut and extract the inner kernel. However, in large-scale processing plants, mechanical nut breakers are often used to optimize shell removal and improve efficiency. These machines are designed to accurately open cashew shells using adjustable pressure settings to match the thickness of the shell. Next, the cashew nuts are fed into the sorting line. Skilled workers can adjust their techniques to accommodate variations in the size and shape of the nuts, ensuring consistent results in each product. Through the processing process, cashew nuts are transferred to packaging. Normally, cashew nuts are packaged in boxes or bags, with weights ranging from a few kilograms to tons, depending on the specific requirements of the customer. This ensures that the product is stored and transported safely and conveniently to the final consumer. Vacuum-sealed bags are commonly used for retail packaging of cashew nuts. These bags are designed to remove air from the packaging, creating a vacuum seal to preserve the freshness of the nuts and extend their shelf life. Cashew nuts can also undergo a seasoning process. This can be done through methods such as tumbling, spraying, or coating with seasoning. In the tumbling process, the nuts are placed in a rotating drum or container, where the seasoning mixture is evenly distributed over them. In recent years, cashew output has grown significantly, with global output reaching approximately 3.85 million tons in 2022. This is an important milestone compared to previous years. The distribution of cashew nuts has expanded significantly in recent years, due to growing demand and globalization. Cashews are exported to markets around the world, where they are packaged in a variety of forms, including bulk containers, vacuum bags. Now we move on to the process of peeling walnuts. These machines use a variety of techniques to apply controlled pressure and peel without damaging the kernels inside. A series of sorting systems then separate the seeds from the remaining shell fragments. Some nuts will be used for packaging, while others are perfect for food production. This is often determined based on their appearance and overall quality. Are you curious about the walnut planting process? Leave a 1 to explore walnut farms. The process starts at the nursery, where saplings are carefully nurtured to optimize growth by controlling factors like temperature and humidity. Just before planting, farmers meticulously prepare the soil to receive the saplings. Before planting, farmers meticulously prepare the soil, using machinery to till the land and create holes. Wooden stakes are strategically added to support the growth of each tree before carefully planting each sapling. To ensure efficient water conservation, drip irrigation systems are employed. These systems deliver water at a slow rate, nourishing the soil and crops effectively. When walnut trees mature, farmers shape them to optimize exposure to light, airflow, and seed production. For large-scale operations, mechanical pruning takes precedence for efficiency. Specialized machinery moves through rows, precisely pruning branches exceeding predetermined sizes. Then, another machine aids in cleaning up the pruned branches, streamlining the process. After several years of care, walnut trees begin to bear fruit. The sorting system removes unwanted or unripe walnuts before husking to prevent damage or contamination. A specialized walnut processing and drying facility handles harvested walnuts, transforming them from green husks to ready to consume or further processed dried nuts. They primarily use husking machines to accomplish this. These machines are tasked with separating the fresh green outer husk from the hard inner shell. There are various types of husking machines such as mechanical disc huskers or water-based huskers. Next, the walnuts are dried to reduce the moisture content of the nuts to a safe level, typically between 6 to 8%, to prevent mold and spoilage. One common method of drying is using mechanical dryers, which remove moisture with hot air without overdrying them. The moisture content is regularly monitored during this process to ensure the quality of the product. After visually inspecting the products, they are transferred to the section of the facility for size sorting. There are several methods to accomplish this, but one of the most effective ways is through the assistance of gravity. They place the nuts into a large box with various size holes. The purpose of these holes is to allow smaller nuts to fall through, leaving behind those that meet their standards. The holes on the surface or screen with gradually increasing gaps allow nuts of different sizes to drop down at different points. The increasing demand for nutrition among people is driving a strong growth in the food industry. Among these, walnuts, with their high nutritional content, are becoming the top choice for consumers. Now, let's embark on a journey to explore the walnut processing plant. Have you ever witnessed a walnut harvest? This is a time when dedicated farmers have carefully tended each tree for months, and now they are eagerly waiting for their results. Since they have many trees to harvest within a limited time, they use machines such as tree shakers to harvest walnuts. These large tools attach a clamp to the tree trunk and create powerful vibrations to shake the entire tree, helping to maximize seed recovery and minimize damage to branches and trees. Please leave number 1 if you think this harvesting method is best. Next, farmers will carefully adjust the power and timing of the shaker machine to harvest the walnuts that have fallen to the ground. After being shaken, the fallen nuts are conveyed into containers by specialized mechanical sweepers, making the collection process simpler. The walnuts are then brought to the containers for sorting and selection of quality. Additionally, they will be transported to the factory to continue the production process. At walnut storage facilities, they utilize conveyor belts to transport the walnuts to the gathering area before they proceed to the processing facility. Next, the walnuts are discharged from the bins onto conveyor belts to transfer them into a specialized vehicle for transportation to the processing facility. Upon arrival, they pour the walnuts into a hopper to feed them into another conveyor belt. During this process, workers also pick and remove any debris and unwanted materials from the batch.